Hi guys, it's SaRa.CiDe here with another little video. I just got TikTok and let me tell you, some of these filters are damn near criminal. Like, I put one on and I was like, no, that's not my face. It's definitely gonna deceive people, and that's something I don't like to do. So I just put some cute stars up and I'm gonna do my little video and maybe scroll on TikTok for my, natural life. But yeah, last time I had this hat, they didn't have these little cute dangle ears on. I found these in the craft store. They're so cute. They're like little links that you just snap together. And I made this one and the pride flag for bisexual because that's what I am. So go bisexual. Yeah. And these colors I just thought looked really cute. And then the more that I looked at them, I was like, oh my god, they look like from Has Been Hotel. It looks like the chain that Alistair puts you in when you have to make a deal with him. And I'm like, I need to get all the green ones and make a chain one. I already have a rainbow one that I made that I'm not wearing because I'm not really going anywhere special today. So, they can be kind of annoying. But I'm loving this hat. Every time I'm having a bad hair day, I wear it. So, but the main reason we are here today is because I got Don't look at my teeth. They're ugly. That's kind of cool though. You see my eye? Where's my eye? Well, that's even creepier. Alright. But we got Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. And this is the back. But then I hear that I hope it's okay. So let's open it together and see if it's okay. I love that sound. Yes, I smell it. Leave me alone. Alright, I don't want to look at the keychain. I don't look at the keychain. Let's look at our cards first. Aww. We got Hello Kitty with a garden trowel. Or in layman's terms, a hoe. But, she's getting ready to go gardening. That's good because I don't really like gardening unless oh, this kitty has a messenger bag, so maybe she's a badass male kitty who fights off dogs. That's my brain working. Oh, and then we have the I do really want this workout kitty where she's doing like the aerobic size with the goddamn headband on because I just think it's so effing cute. And I think that is one of the options. But I got three new cards. Super happy about that. Now let's get into the real. Oh, it sounded like metal because it's a keychain. And Hello Kitty without a bow. She looks a little like a little dingy. Not even gonna lie. I mean, I can I pause this? Okay, guys. I don't know if you could see Kitty. She's got a little. You can definitely see on her nose. She got like some dirt. So I went and got the almighty magic eraser, and we are gonna see if we can give Kitty a facial. Oh, it worked. It's working. It's magic. Oh, she dirty. Dirty girl. Tell me I'm not. It's the arm. Yo, this shit is taking the paint off, yo. Damn, I didn't know you had that much magic in you. I like the noise it makes. Yeah, it hold it. Look at you guys. You see that? Can you see the yellow? Am I crazy? No, I'm not crazy. I know I'm not crazy. Y'all see yellow, right? What? Yeah, and that's what's happening. It's smudging on her. Oh no. Kitty girl, we gotta save you. This can't be. Okay. I'm gonna gently wipe around. Okay, instead of a black dot being where her nose is, now there's a white dot from where, I mean, it looks better, right, I guess. Yay. But damn, that shit went straight for the yellow. Look at that. I mean, that's just dirt for me cleaning my sneakers, but you could clearly see it go from yellow to white, and I don't know, it's kind of crazy. What the is in these magic erasers that makes them so magical? I have no idea. But yeah, that's that. Oh, and I got this because I want to show you the links. You gotta be careful with them though. If you do get them, I got them from Michael's. So each side has like a little dip and then like no dip. So when you put them together, you want both of the sides that have the dip together to pull it apart and then to snap it back in place. Because if you try to just clip it on the side that doesn't have a dip or a split, it's gonna crack or it's gonna be a pain in the ass. So we just do this. Click, clack, done. Remember to hydrate, stay cool, stay weird, and bye.